dash, dash, dash,
Yeah,
dash, dash, dash.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy jackboi loyd, and today I'm bringing you back. Today I'm back with another video. Yes, I know. Look, man, look, bruh. It's been a minute. Where have I been? Well, don't worry. Anyways, today we're reacting to josephdhary's latest video of couples exchanging phones. If y'all don't know josephdary, then you're living under a rock, dog.
My name is josephdary. I'm back again with another video. When the camera gets late, I'm always wearing a jacket because we work 9 to 5 here. We don't play. This is season 3, baby. I'm here with Spamandla, my brother. You look scary. Like, you look like me. I'm not gonna lie to you. You see, I do not love acting. My sister, I do not love acting strong on the men that can beat me, and by the look, you look scary, my brother. Dude.
What do you mean you look scary? I mean, I can see that guy is like bigger than Joseph, man. Even Joseph, ever since Joseph got their money, dog. Ever since Joseph got that YouTube money, dog, the one we should also chase right now, dog. He has been gaining weight, my guy. He has been gaining weight, my guy.
Do you beat people?
I know to come for you. Umuntu uzoyiphila nje futhi.
Urelaxile empilweni.
Relaxele yebo njalo.
Awuli.
Hayi umuntu ongaphonzile kulo.
No, we are contra. Isonto.
Yebo nyasonto.
Oh, are you sure, my man? Phela
We have a guy who goes to church, my guy. Guy who looks chill, the guy who's clean, dog. Maybe nje afake fade uzaba grand umchita. Overall nga bro, bruh.
Phela, hey.
I'm 100% sure.
Don't forget to go to church, and don't forget to praise and thank you.
Yeah.
Or thank the person who gave you life.
Yeah, I understand.
Joseph is truthing. Joseph is truthing, my guy. Nah, I knew nigga smokes, man. I thought he smokes like plants and shit, but hey, even Joseph is truthing, dog.
Because he can take it anywhere, my sister. Like, he gave you, can take it. You don't know how it came about. Appreciate it. What's your name? Oh, you look beautiful. Your head.
Thank you.
Yeah, but a lot of Zulu women, they don't know how to wear wig. Yeah. I've seen it by my Zulu girlfriend, or ex-girlfriend. Now she's an ex. Yeah, I've seen it with my ex-girlfriend, my man. I go corny wig.
Yeah, Joseph Apa, dog. The honey's a hide, the bruise a hide, the honey's a hide. They go together, is what I can say. But I find nothing much. The hand looks now, the guy looks now, dog.
Mountain do Munt, my brother, they compromise. Yeah. Me, I compromise a lot, my brother. Do you compromise? How much do you give a monthly allowance?
Again, ngumnikeza mhlawumbe 3,000 rand.
3,000! 3,000 monthly allowance. Girlfriend allowance, 3,000. 3 cages, 3 bags. What are we saying? I'm fine. I valid, dog. 3 bands. I valid, dog.
Oh, my man, 3,000 is someone's salary. You should understand that.
Yeah.
My sister. What do you give him?
Just love and care.
Love and
That's the thing with marriages, though. But I don't want to pause every 2 minutes, no? Mara, the guy is giving 3K, dog. What are you bringing? I'm just bringing love and care. Dog, bring more to the table, dog. What do you mean you're bringing love and care? Where does that get us, dog? I mean, yeah, sure, it gets us something. Mara, me, I'm cooperating 3 bands a month. 3 times 12, shit. Fuck, I might just be fucked. 24, carry over that, 10, 8, 10. 36. Wait, it's 36K. I think it's 36K a year. So this nigga is paying 36K a year to have this lady, chief. I'm valid, I'm laughing, dog.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. He doesn't need it. He needs respect and loyalty. You have to give her love and care. Like, people are making that's why love doesn't make sense. Because now you took respect, you women. My boyfriend doesn't respect. He does not need to respect you. He loves you. He's taking care of you. Why should he respect you? You know? And you, my brother, don't expect love from her. Ukuthi akuthande, akuthengele ama-flower, akwenze mabumbumbu. No. You have to be the one doing the things to her. Don't mix the combos of love. That's why you guys are love that doesn't communicate. You demand respect. Ukuthi chere yakho ingakufebeli sinini idlana nabanye abantu. Yeah, one is not nice, my man. How long have you guys been dating?
2 years.
2 years, dog. Nigga said he's been dating the honey for 2 years, and then if he's giving her 30k, what's if he's giving her 36k a year, 2 years, dog. 2 years back to back, my brother. And you gave this, so in total, you probably gave this man, hey man, look, Jens, Matt is fucking me up, dog. Loyd, you probably gave like over 50k for what, dog? For what? If you're gonna give a hand 3,000 a month, at least give a better hand 3,000 because, my brother, you can see, dog, mara. If you're gonna give 100k, give it to a baddie, dog. Yo.
I'm turned, my sister.
I'm turned.
Oh, what is it that the nicest thing you've ever did for him, despite sex?
He loved me. He take care of me. He gave me everything.
My sister, my brother, when that you've ever done for her, that's nice.
Hey, kuningi kakhulu engimenzele khona mfowethu.
Yeah.
Ngesimo sokuthi ngiyamthanda futhi angicabanga ukuthi ukhona umuntu ongangena kule nto yethu ngoba sithandana.
Kuningi omenzele khona.
Kuningi kakhulu.
Foreshadowing, my nigga, it's about to be chai. Foreshadowing, it's about to be chai.
Oh, I know 3k is too much, my sister. So
3k is too much, dog. That's what Joseph said, dog. 3k is too much, man, sister. Facts, dog. Is she demanding the 3k or is he giving him 3,000 for no reason, dog? I mean, he wants coochie, mara. You could pay less, dog. You could pay less for coochie a month, dog. Don't ask me how I know. Don't ask me how I know.
How much are you cashing out from a relationship?
That's all okay. Even Joseph is doing the calculations. We're on the same line.
9 times 12.
Can you pardon?
9 times 12 is how much? Oh, 3 times 12.
3 times 12.
3,000
36.
times 12.
36k a year, Joseph, dog. I got you, fam.
I don't count.
Let me count it for you, my sister. You have to see how much you make a month.
Facts.
A year.
What, a year? I want to show you how much you make a year. From one man, yo. And then
From her being in a relationship, my guy, with this bro, dog, her needs are covered. But not even needs, dog. Everything I found, her wants are covered, my guy. This guy's like life insurance. And if the honey is cheating, which she probably is, because let's be honest, dog, that's what we're here for. It's child, dog. It's ain't no way the guy giving her 3k is cheating, because when Zani, dog, why are you giving her 3k if I'm cheating? Just vibe. Doesn't make sense. Let me just shut the fuck up, bruh.
It's about men are stingy. My man, you're not stingy. 12. Yo. Hella, yo, 36,000 a month, a year, my sis. And I'm sure if you are cheating, you have other ones that are putting something on the side. That makes it.
He's right, though. If she's cheating, that means she's probably getting another 3 bands from another nigga. Yo, dog, Lumnana is making money just by being a honey, dog. Nah, Jens, I see why niggas trying to switch sides now, dog. I see why niggas trying to switch sides. They want to monetize. Niggas are switching sides to monetize.
So I want you guys to exchange phone for 60 seconds. They say, yabo, one man for one woman. Even if but one man for one woman.
Change phones.
My sister, are you
What do you mean she's shaking, my guy?
cheating on him? You have others.
No.
Be honest, sister.
No.
You are wearing a church thing. Can you?
Yeah, she's cheating. Dog, it's already child, dog. It's already, we here for the content, man. I say you can vibe now, don't vibe. Please don't vibe, dog. Please, I need you, dog, to stay here, man. Don't vibe, dog. If you vibe, it's gonna be lonely here. Don't vibe, dog. But I say back to the video. She's cheating. She's cheating.
Praise the Lord with honesty. Stop lying.
I'm not cheating.
You guys are the people that make Christianity wrong. Because a person is a Christian, Ngapa is lying, Ngapa you want me to believe. Like, Ngapa you doing everything that the 10 Commandments says do not do.
Ooh. What is she gonna say? What is she gonna say? Joseph just gave a speech, dog. She's gonna say she's not cheating. She's gonna lie. She's gonna lie.
I'm not cheating on him.
You're not 100%. So we wanna check your phone. Is it okay?
Well, my God. You see how Joseph is smoking that tooth, dog? That is dragging on it. He knows, dog. He's been doing this now for like what? How many fucking seasons? Season 3, dog. It's chai. It's chai. My brother, this is where I'm like, as a bro, we're gonna do this for sure, dog. I'm gonna break up with this honey right there, dog, because it's chai.
My man, is it okay?
Yeah.
Wena unankinga.
Mina nginankinga.
Oh, ayinetela yakho futhi. Awusinikeze yakho. Nawe my sister.
It's anarchy. It's anarchy. It's anarchy.
That's all. Okay, we've got here. We have arrived now, dog. We have arrived now, man. I say, yeah, let's just strap in. Boys, lock in, cheers, lock in. Chat, lock in, dog. Lock in. We better watch content, dog. We better watch Joseph do what he does best, dog. Exposing cheaters, dog. Let's get into this one.
Yours doesn't. Okay, so naming bonino, my brother. There's no much.
Yeah.
Gala, hey, manje, why? It's a oh.
Freezer food.
It's fine.
Okay.
So check out the okay. Siyabonga baba. Yeah, ngiyabonga. So manje ufuna amanye amachair. Ufuna yena ayi-1.
Ayiright nje yedwa.
Oh, okay.
Mase maningi zibaningi nendlela.
Oh, okay. You're right, I love you. Siba ningi nendlebe. Indlelo. What's that? Needs. Yo.
She's peeking, dog. Yo, catch that. Am I tripping? Yeah, call about him now. She's doing those. Say. Told myself, say, what are you looking there, my brother? It's shy, James. It's shy.
My brother, you sharing the serious Zulu, but you know how to love a right. I love you. It's nice. That's nice. Even if as much as you know how to write I love you, let me check it for you, brother. Okay, who's this? Usungosi Vumila, my sister.
This is he's my friend.
Yeah?
He's my friend.
Your friend?
Why am I panicking? Nah, let me relax. Let me chill.
Friend from where? Heaven?
No, from high school.
From high?
Whoa, it's a long time crush, dog. Ubuile, boy, it's an ex, dog. It's Chai. Give up. It's a friend from high school, dog. It's a friend. Hi, it's Chai. It's Chai. Nah, baby, dog. There goes your hand.
Husband?
High school.
High school. Oh. Lo?
My friend from church.
Another one from church. What did he search? I love you.
Ooh. My brother phela la mina ngibona I love you. Yabona lo. And
Why are you peeking? Relax, dog. So pika. It's Chai. It's Chai, dog. Nah, this is interesting. This is very interesting, dog. Fuck, man.
Oh, this guy. Let me show you this guy. This guy. Nkosi Vumile. Who's this? Yeah, more type I love you, fella. I think I look type is.
I got film shita. Mau type I love you, vela yena, vela another bro, dog, in your hand's phone. Damn.
Sex-ish. I think type of sex.
Some type of sex. Trust me, no? You've seen enough talk. You don't want to type sex, my guy. Let's see where the sun goes, dog. Let's see where the sun.
Sbono to Vela band, my brother. Okay, so.
She belongs to the streets.
She does.
Timbo sex. So my sister, tell him that you are cheating on him before you.
And she was the one saying, Mina, I'm not cheating, Mina, I'm not cheating. And then Joseph told her, dog, you have a Christ on your chest, my nigga. Who's it, bruh? Be honest, just let us know now so we can wrap it up. I'm not cheating. 100%. Oh, okay.
Yeah, the sex go, yeah. speaking about it. I wanna make you check the profile picture. Here's the guy.
Uba Nkosi Vumile.
Inkosi Vumile udriver wami ujwayele ungihambisa eThekwini nawubizweni.
So you are in a relationship with him?
No.
My sister, be honest, pal. And then low ban low.
That's my brother.
This is sister brother. And also him is the Uber driver, mas.
No, he's not the Uber driver.
My sister, even him is the Uber driver. He's inside the Uber here.
Nkosi Vumile wakaba. Lo jwala ukufika nawe ezokuthatha. Lo jwala ufika ezokuthatha la.
Ezokuthatha? Am I tripping? Umthatha umsabi xa mthatha. Why am
Nkosi Vumile wakaba. Lo jwala ukufika nawe ezokuthatha. Lo jwala ufika ezokuthatha la.
Udriver ngoba ngisho udriver wami.
a personal driver? Personal driver? Like I get like if it's an Uber driver and then you have the phone and then you have the Uber driver's number on your phone. Mara, Uber driver's number on your phone talking about is sexy and I love yous, nah. And who's I'm tired of dog? Dog, they taking his matey from the crib to go shower, dog. Yo. They taking your hand to go chow your hand, dog. When you see that other bro, dog, say away, no, I am a grand chief. Yeah, say, came to pick up my hand, show baby's getting ready. No, chief. She's getting ready for him. Nah, Hands are different breeds, bro. Hands are different breeds.
I'm a man now, you're born with I see your legend. Yeah,
Why you relax? So, you know what you were saying. Why you relax?
most years today, my sister la.
Ngiyabona ngathi niyajona ngene.
Bajola mus my brother, yabona lento bayenza.
Asitsholi baba siwe senze content.
Content and on OnlyFans? Nah, she's on OnlyFans.
Content content. Angithi yabonga ngokusuka emakhaya. Ama content awazi. Siwe senze content hayi ngoba suke sijoli.
So nenzi content in it. Is that the content? Is not content?
I-content yebo.
Oh, cookie video. Or is there a video on the phone? My guy, that's not how you do content though. This is content, my guy. Talking to no one, talk where to go and bullshit shit. This is content. Le is not the one.
Content lokuqala.
Siwe senze
Content yakhe, my brother.
Huh?
Let me check.
Content.
Sondela.
Sondela ozala I mfethu ngamedi mfethu relax. It's not that deep, dog. It's not that deep.
I-content yokwenzana ethi ngamanye. Ngithi wena enza i-content maniqabulana.
Hayi siwe 8 hayi ngoba siwe siqaba.
The honey said, Subesi actor, dog. That's crazy. Nah, that's crazy. That's actually funny, dog.
Oh, kushuthi mina mana. Kushuthi mase qhamuka intombazana, ngiqhamuka intombazana. Ngithi umngane wami ngiqabulane naye content le.
So my sister uze waba pregnant.
Pregnancy? Now this video has gone deep, James. The video has gone deep. Off the guy's face.
Utundwana umenze preg mara obviously my brother. This man was stressed that she's pregnant. Obviously let me see.
Nah, they were making content, my guy. Nothing to worry about, dog. It's all fun here, dog. They were making just content. They were fucking J for fun, dog. They were fucking for the views.
I don't see what happened there, but I see a deleted picture. This is a one-time picture whereby send I velanga.
If viewers, viewers is allowing umjolo to happen, dog. Viewers is allowing niggas to cheat. And niggas that are using it and cheating with it are fine with it. And tonight we're like, I'm fine with the viewers because I just send it to my friends. Wait, that sounds weird. I just send dumbass shit to my friends or like to like a honey. That's like a funny joke. a funny joke to Han, yes, dog. Mara, I say, viewers has gone far now.
I wanna go here, so it's one the content there. Okay. So, lomchita lo baka khuluma pregnant, I see.
Pregnant? Ungena kanjani pregnant?
I'm stressed because you were pregnant and I'm not able to be taking care of the kid. Okay. So yena bakakutshela ukuthi umusiyana ikhanda.
But the honey can't even lie, dog. Like, what not talk, bruh. Like, I feel like I could talk, okay, on the spot, I probably also wouldn't be able to lie, Mara. Like, come up with something creative, dog. Like, say something. Don't say, when she fucked it, when she said content, knowing by accident, they're sleeping with each other. You should have never said content, my guy. You fucked it up now, dog.
Take care of the kid.
Huh? Uthi umngane wakho njani?
Ukuthi umngane wami ukhulelwe bese isisi.
Bo prick show bani uye or loyo munye. Oh.
Yo, nah, I'm scared of Hans, kids. Yo, I'm scared of Hans, dog.
You have three boyfriends. Kahle kahle. 2 Uber, man. My brother wanna shy takes.
Ngishayela itekisi yabo futhi.
Oh.
Kodwa phela naphathwayo ngenze njani? Angithi wafela waba isidudla wena engamile lento yakho. Ngenze njani mina?
She said, now run that back. Whoa. Go back.
Kodwa phela naphathwayo ngenze njani? Angithi wafela waba isidudla wena engamile lento yakho mina.
Nah, that's what they do to us, chins. Nah.
Umbonile umfana loya ethi ngikubonisa yena lo mfana. Ethi ngikubonisa yena lo mfana. Bheka usilenda kanjani lo mfana bheka.
Yeah, there's a video.
Oh, yona ndoda yakhe njani?
Iyo leyo.
Yona ndoda yakhe njani? Le. Kulelo wena.
So we keep an ingane, my brother. We keep ingane lapho. This man said he can't take care of the kid because he's too young for them.
Uzwakhipha ngishisisa.
My sister, be honest. This gonna leave. My brother, what are you gonna do with her? Are you gonna leave?
You're gonna leave it. What do you mean? What are you gonna? You're gonna vibe, dog. There's no other option. Why is this staying? He's probably gonna stay, dog. Cause trust me, Kuchi probably is not. Wait, what did I just say? Nah, cut that out, Lloyd. Cut that out. Don't be lazy, dog. Fuck, I might be lazy.
My sister, don't act up now. Ujola keep his sis. Angazi ukuthi inkinga yakhe yini.
She belongs to the streets.
My sister, stop lying to this man. Me, let me do like this so that my brother, you can ubone ama picture on phone. My brother ngicela ubambe kanje uye phansi ama pictures ovela lapho. Wait, azovela. Yabona mayenza njalo azovela. Tell the truth, my sister. Do you even love him? What do you want from this man if you have 2 boyfriends? From Uber. Now, you try.
So what's crazy is the fact that Joseph's video is like a single sitting, dog. Like, it's like there's no cuts here, my guy. He has not cut anything. This is happening like real time, dog. I'm not real time, but you could have just say, like, in the span of 30 minutes, dog. They have already saw that, okay, sure, she lied, I'm not cheating, wada. She's cheated, she's aborted. She called him fat, dog. Nah.
No, not to Maliam.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, no much. Yeah, okay. Communicating on my video. I want that.
Futhi senkwenzela into engaka futhi zongihlambalaza egcineni. Umthatha kanjani? Umthatha kanjani? Angisafuni ngisho ukubuka futhi. Angisafuni ngisho ukubuka. Umthatha kanjani?
They were outside now.
Umthatha kanjani?
So this
Yabuza umthatha kanjani?
Why enjoy my brother? My sister. Where's your phone? You are favoring on this man, yeah?
Uphuma nawe. Ungitshela ukuthi ubhizi. Kodwa uyakwazi ukuphuma namanye amadoda. Ngithatha kanjani?
Ngiyasiphatha.
Ngithatha kanjani?
Ngiyaxolisa.
What is that gonna do now, dog? What is that gonna do for him, bro? Like, you child another dog. The thought of my hand chowing another brew is crazy, dog. Like, I can't even imagine, dog. Like, they have cheated on me as well, man. Mara, like, not like this. Not like this, boy. God damn, Han's a crazy dog.
So what do you expect him to do? To forgive you?
If he can.
You can't.
I don't forgive, I don't forget. Do you forgive and forget, my man?
Ngiyakwazi
Uyamshiya ne?
Ngizomxolela.
Ngicela ukuthi umshiyele mina. Not ukuthi umshiyele abe mina, abe wami. Umshiye just ukuthi umbonise ukuthi she ain't shit.
Ngeke sakwazi ukuqhubeka futhi. Ukwazi ungenza nje 2 years ngithatha nawe uzokwenza nje.
How long have you been dating those ones? Mara uthi yena musaka sijudla mus.
Lomfana
Siyasebenza lapho.
Who do you love most?
Ngithanda isiphamandla.
Mara yena uthe mus usijudla.
She did say that.
Uthi wena so manje what does his body has to do with you cheating?
awuhloniphi.
Into yakhe incane.
Who? Uthini mntana?
Uthi wena so manje what does his body has to do with you cheating?
Awuhloniphi.
Into yakhe incane.
Yo, ay. Hands are crazy, dog. Anyways, I've heard enough, bro. I've heard enough, dog. Me, I don't want to watch any further, dog. I feel like it gets depressing at the end of the video, Mara. I said, guys, without any further ado, thank you for watching. That's been me, your boy Lobster, and yeah, come back. I don't want to say come back tomorrow, but come back next week for more. I guess try to see if I upload it, because like I said, I'm gonna try to be more consistent this time, because like I promised in the beginning of the year, I think I said 40 weeks, 40 videos, 49 videos, something like that. I promised I'm gonna drop 49 videos this year, and I'm trying to do that. Even though I'm by 5 years, I'm trying to do that. Mara, I said thank you for watching. It's me, your boy Loyd, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one, chance. Stay away from ladies, and if you're with a lady, take a phone, search I love you, dog. And if you're with a lady and you're getting fatter, it's chai, dog. And if you're with a lady with a small dick, it's also chai, dog. Anyway, I said I'm vying, so like, yeah, gang.
Yes, whoa. Dash, 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 dash.